gentlemen, this is Mike Weibel, the principal here at Terminal Park Elementary.
This is Tim Hupperton, assistant principal here at Terminal Park.
And we're here to talk to you today about some new learning kits we're picking up. So what's going to happen on October 5th?
October 5th from 4 to 6 p.m. We're going to ask that you participate in a curbside drive-up opportunity to pick up these learning kit bags.
So what we'll have grade levels lined up all along the front of the school here with signs. And then we'll ask you to drive up to your grade level and stop by, and a staff member will pull up and give you a bag into your car, the ticket in the window, and drive away. These learning kits can include all sorts of really great stuff, things that are essential for learning, including some music instruments and some PE stuff, lots of good things to have. So we need you to come by and pick these up on Monday, October 5th from
4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Also in the bags are the school photo picture forms. So it's really important that you pick up these bags that we have upcoming October 20th. It will be our picture day, and so really important that you pick up those forms as well as the other school items that are in the bag.
Thanks a lot. We'll see you then.